Is it time to buy or sell NuCana PLC stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NuCana PLC. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has designated NuCana PLC as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 64.48%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.58% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining short-term trend, indicating further potential declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 62.63% over the next 3 months, with a potential return varying from -100% to 72.06%. In the context of a longer-term analysis spanning 12 months, our projections indicate a change of about -39.48%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 2,574.77% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price lying somewhere between $0 and $3.84. Our latest daily update for NuCana PLC includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for NuCana PLC Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between 0.112 and 0.188. The NuCana PLC stock price gained 88.32% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, rising from 0.0762 to 0.144. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 67.86%, with a day low of 0.112 and a day high of 0.188. The price has experienced significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a total gain of 267.95% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 1 billion more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 2 billion shares changed hands for approximately $330.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $10.79, while the lowest price was $0.0326. Currently, the price sits 98.67% or $10.65 below the 52-week high, and 99.98% or $799.86 below the all-time high on the 7th of June, 2018, when the price reached $800. NuCana reported its first quarter of 2025 financial results on the 2nd of June, unveiling the initiation of an expansion study for its drug, NUC 7738, in combination with pembrolizumab, aimed at treating patients with PD-1 inhibitor-resistant melanoma. This significant move reinforces the company's commitment to addressing persistent cancers, which could intrigue investors and fuel positive sentiment. Earlier updates revealed that NuCana remains on track with its plans, confirming the strategic direction to expand on its promising data. Positive momentum from the previous quarter highlighted encouraging Phase 2 data on NUC 7738, showcasing substantial patient responses at prestigious medical congresses. Such outcomes could bolster confidence in the company's therapeutic pipeline. Back in September of 2024, the stock experienced a staggering 151% surge following beneficial efficacy data from a mid-stage melanoma study. This creates a precedent for strong price movements tied to clinical news, suggesting that similar favorable announcements could catalyze investor enthusiasm and drive stock prices higher in the near term. Additionally, securing a composition of matter patent for NUC 7738 solidifies its market position, likely enhancing investor confidence in the long-term viability of their innovative treatments. As NuCana continues to unfold promising clinical results, the dual impact of continued research advancements and intellectual property protections could stabilize and elevate its stock performance in both the short and long run. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, August 29, 2024, it was reported that William Blair assigned NCNA a market perform grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, August 19, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NCNA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, July 22, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer again assigned NCNA an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to NuCana plc stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NuCana plc. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025. And so far, it has risen by 336.17%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact the near-term development. The NuCana plc stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nonetheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 24.3 cents. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at 6.47 cents. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 111 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 177 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NuCana plc. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is expected to experience significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.076 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 67.86%. During the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 47.83%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NuCana plc, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NuCana plc. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In such a scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Additionally, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under specific conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader, familiar with navigating such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NuCana plc stock a good buy? NuCana plc currently shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a pessimistic outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we anticipate that NuCana plc will open higher by approximately 430 cents and begin trading at 148 cents. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.